Hey guys, what's going on? And welcome to this next little, let me get this camera adjusted, video update on another project I have going on. So, we both know that I'm trying to build a high frequency plasma generator using solar panels. So I'm going to try to combine my solar panels with high frequency and see if we can build something cool out of it. And that'll be another video down the road for the to-do list, and I'm sure you guys are gonna love it because it sounds kind of cool. This is what I've got going on so far. Alright, so this is what I got going on right now. This is a 500 farad 2.7 volt supercapacitor, and these are 3.5 volts of solar panels that I put on this pressed board here. And the way I sealed them in will be on the next video tutorial, because I kind of want to just go over how simple it really is to seal one of these solar panels in with this one product that literally costs $5. Alright, it's Gorilla Glue. It's Gorilla Glue. It's not as tough as epoxy, I don't think, but I know that if it gets rained on, and you can even tap it pretty well, if it gets rained on, it'll just fall right off, not even affect my solar panels, and I'll still be generating plenty of voltage. Probably should have used thicker wire, but hey, it's whatever. But I'm going to hook it up from this set of solar panels to this supercapacitor, and I'm going to be using this diode to keep the charge from snapping back, and it should work. So stay tuned for the next video, guys. Things are about to get interesting, so peace.